Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is the first video of the topic, the cell. Let us understand the different topics covered in this video. Unicellular and multicellular organisms, discovery of cell, and the three major parts of the cell. And in video 2, I will cover the different organelles of the cell, like mitochondria and Golgi apparatus, and many more, along with cell diversity and cell division. Let us start off with introduction to cell. So living organisms are made up of tiny living things known as cell. Organisms are divided into unicellular and multicellular organisms. So unicellular organisms, as the word suggests, is nothing but single-celled organisms, whereas multicellular organisms is nothing but multi-celled organisms. So paramecium and amoeba are examples of unicellular organisms, whereas we humans are examples of multicellular organisms. Now let us move on to discovery of cell. The cell was first discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed thin slices of cork under his crude microscope. He found that the cork was made of box-like compartments forming a honeycomb structure. So in an image, I will show you how it looks like. He was the one who named these box-like compartments as cells. So these box-like compartments were, of course, small, right? So the other meaning of cell is a small room, right? So when he related them, he named these structures as cell. This is Robert Hooke, and this is the structure that he found under his crude microscope. Okay, let us move on to the main parts of the cell. So the main parts of the cell are nucleus, cytoplasm, and cell membrane. The cell membrane is the outermost part of the cell. It protects the cell and lets objects out and inside the cell. Cytoplasm is a liquid jelly-like substance that occupies most of the space in a cell. Organelles are present in the cytoplasm. So we will study each and every organelle in the next video. Now let us understand nucleus. The nucleus is the control unit of the cell and it is present in the cytoplasm. Nucleus is the boss of the cell, just like a school principal. The nucleus controls everything that happens in the cell. Most cells have only one nucleus. Nucleus consists of four parts: nuclear membrane, nuclear sap, chromatin network, and nucleolus. Now let us understand the different parts of nucleus along with the function of nucleus. The outermost covering layer of the nucleus is called the nuclear membrane, which separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. It has tiny holes in it, which allow exchange of substances between the nucleus and the cytoplasm. The jelly-like fluid inside the nucleus is called the nuclear sap. Chromatin and nucleolus are the other parts of the cell. Transmission of characters from one generation to another, and nucleus controls all life function that take place in the cell. So these two, right? These 2 points are the function of nucleus. Thank you. And I hope you liked this video. Please do watch video number 2 of the cell if you want to continue learning about the cell. Thank you again.